Hello all. Today we are going to learn how to create a user login system and registration in Laravel 7. So let's get started. First of all, open your project. So this is my project. So this is our Laravel page. Now we are going to create a login and registration system in this website. So first thing you need to do is install authentication in Laravel. So let's go to the Laravel page. We need to search authentication. So this is the command we need. Copy this command and go to your project and install it. So the Laravel UI has been installed. Now we need to do another thing. We need to install UI authentication as well. This has been installed as well. Now we need to run this command. So first of all, let's check if anything has been changed to our site. Yes, there is a change. We can see a new option, login and register. If you go to this page, you can see the CSS has been messed and this does not look good. So we need to do is run this command. It will take some time. So we have our npm installed. You can see it is installed. Now let's check this site again. So yep, this work. Now open our project folder. Let's see it on our migration. Here it is, user table. So you can edit this migration and add fields. I'm going to rename it as a first name, and let's create another field. Let's call it last name. So I'm going to add address as well. So I'm going to make it a nullable. Let's create status as well. Oh sorry, status should be a boolean. And let's give it a default value. So we set address as nullable, so we can not fill out address, and it will be okay when we post the data to the database. So basically this is good. And another thing is that we have to connect our database. We haven't connected our database, so let's create a database first. I'm going to give it a name as a user login. Let's create it. It has been created, and we need to connect it to our Laravel project. So now we can run a migration. This will run this migration table and create a table in the database. So let's run it. Our migration has been run. Now let's check it in the database. We can see our user table has been created with the field we added. Now we have added new field, so we need to change this template as well, so we can fill in new datas. So this is the page we will be working. Make it first name. Let's add another field which will be address. Yeah, we can see our new fields. I'm going to disable required field in address because we don't need it. It is not necessary. Now we need to locate controller file. Here is the controller we need to work on. So we need to add fields here as well. Let's change model as well. So this looks good. Now let's create a user. I'm going to leave it as a blank value. So this error is because we have changed our database name and run migration, but we haven't restarted our server, so we need to restart our Laravel server again. So if you're having this problem as well, you need to do is just close the server and run it again. There we go, we have successfully logged in. Now let's check if we can log in as well. This is the user I have created. There it is, it works. Now let's look into the database as well. Yes, this is the user we have created, and it takes null value in the address field as well. So in this way you can create a login system. So let's check we can go to the home page even if we are not logged in. So this need a login user. So basically this is the login system we can create in Laravel. Alright guys, this is all for now. I'm going to post a new video on Laravel, how to create posts and how to create new pages as well, and creating routes. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.